Good day, ma'am. My name is Nathaniel Espolvera. I want to discuss to you about how carbohydrates and proteins influence agricultural practices. So, carbohydrates and proteins, the fundamental building blocks of plant and animals' life, significantly influence agricultural practices. Their roles extend from crop selection and soil management to animal feed and overall farm productivity. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for plants and animals. In agriculture, high carbohydrate crops like grains, wheat, rice, corn are staples driving practices focused on maximizing yield through techniques like irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. The demand for the crop shift land use influencing monoculture versus diversified farming system. Efficient carbohydrate food production is crucial for food security, putting research into and high-yielding varieties. Proteins are essential for plant growth and development, contributing to structural integrity and enzymatic function in animals agriculture. Protein is vital for muscle development and overall health. Farmers manage protein content in animals' feed, often supplementing with protein-rich sources like soybeans or other legumes. The demand for protein-rich food influences like stock breeding and feeding strategies, impacting land use and environmental sustainability. Sustainable protein sources are increasingly important, leading to exploitation of the alternative protein sources and reducing reliance on intensive animal agriculture.